All right, wanted to go through this problem 31 on the homework. So it asks to find the derivative of this function here. So the definition of the derivative is right here. F prime of x equals the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x. So f of x plus h, you take x plus h and you plug it in for x in both of your x values in your function. So that first one would be 2 times x plus h squared minus 7 times x plus h. That whole entire thing is what is in the red box, is what's going to be in the red brackets. Minus, in blue, f of x, you're just rewriting your whole function here, 2x squared minus 7x, in parentheses or brackets after a subtraction sign. If you want, you could rewrite this in green here. It's not green. I don't know why I didn't write green. 2 squared minus 7x. And the blue x's, this x is replacing your x's in your original function. So this whole thing all over h. So f prime of x equals the limit as h approaches 0 of this entire thing. So that's where you're getting x plus h, x from this x. Then you just use algebra and solve it all out. So foiling this, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. That all times by 2. So 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared. Distributing your 7, negative 7. Distributing negative 1. All over h. Try to combine like terms. Let's see. 2x squared, negative 2x squared. Positive 7x and negative 7x. And what we have left here, 4xh plus 2h squared minus 7h all over h. Factor out an h. So 4x plus 2h minus 7 all over h's. H's cancel. So limit as h approaches 0. 4x plus 2h minus 7. This one will go away. So f prime of x. Don't know why my pen decided not to work. F prime of x equals 4x minus 7. So this is the slope of the tangent line of our original function. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.